Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mampolo from Mampolo's Corner. Renee, your myself. Guys, on this video, I want to update you guys on things that have happened in the last 2 days on the Presidential Election Tribunal. Everything went down happen in the last 2 days up to today. The current news. Now you go hear from. Now you go hear from this. Now you go hear from this video. So, I promise you guys. I say as they come, I go they give you the update. In fact, as they happen, they bring the crucial aspect of this court case. The place where you need to hear, not be wasting your time. No, the areas where you need to touch. When it touch you, it go touch your spirit. It go give you hope. Say there's hope. Oh. There's hope. Now they bring to people. So in the last 2 days, up to today, the current and latest news went down there when you supposed to carry for your head now until next week. Now I won't give you now. So listen and stay tuned. Before I begin to give the main thing I want to show. The main update, the current position of things, according to this election tribunal, presidential election tribunal, where we are as of today, and what we are going to see again next week on Wednesday. Before I begin to go there, let me show you how some Labour Party enter the court with grand style. Not the only Labour Party. I'll still show you how PDP and Atiku storm the court. They storm the court in grand style. Oh, for those who never see the video, all right now, watch video.
I will.
Let's go.
Chief Atiku Abubakar. Well, not too much. The matter don't ready now. It don't ready everywhere. All men must project themselves. Very soon, Natulubu will project himself, whether you like him or not. No man is above the law. Everybody must come and answer in Papa's name. The matter don't start, we don't be hot.
Morning, Patricia. How are you? Yes.
No.
You know Milaye, my man. Are you there? Everybody don't settle down. Make the case, make that they deal with us once more now. After this section of this video, now I'll go bring to Onwa. What did them talk in this city? Oh, they see so. I go show Onwa the latest update, the one where you go take carry, go home, go sleep tonight. Until on Wednesday next week. Don't worry. I said we go to follow, I go to update them. I tell people, if you never follow my channel, you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, it is right time because you won't miss anything. The key points, I'm going to be bringing the key points to you. You'll be seeing it live as it's happening. I bring the key points from every aspect. I'll summarize them to you. This is what you take home. I don't waste people's time. If video and things are not necessary, I don't need to be wasting your time here. When I don't watch the video, that's their entrance, grand entrance of the Labour Party legal team and the PDP legal team and Atiku. They can't settle down. Now I want to show you the main cocoa, what did they discuss for this settling down in this court hall. The main thing why you need that they call it take home beat. Take home beat of the court in the last 2 days. Now I won't give you so. The take home. The main thing you need to know until next week. Now I won't present now. For those who never see the main thing they need to know. The main reason why they sit down in this court. All right now. Watch video.
Lawyers and some members of the public, including the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Mr. Peter Obi, are back in court for the continuation of the pre-hearing session of the presidential election petitions. The five-man panel of justices, when the court reconvened, attention turned to the petition of the Labour Party and its presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi. However, the lead counsel informed the court that all the parties met and agreed to ask for an adjournment to enable them file and exchange necessary legal documents and consolidate on processes filed and those yet to be filed. He told the court that there were many processes and motions yet to be filed, and an adjournment will enable an expeditious hearing and determination of the case. Consequently, Justice Samani granted the request for a week's adjournment, directing the parties to identify the serious issues for determination. However, counsel to Mr. Peter Obi informs journalists that they have filed an application asking for live coverage of court proceedings.
We are asking that the Honorable Court should allow live streaming and broadcasting of the proceedings of the court from day to day, whenever the court is sitting, because it was something introduced by the colonial masters, but they have moved on, and we are still in the ancient age. So we feel that we should depart from that and adopt modernity, because some African countries are now live streaming their proceedings. I don't see why Nigeria shouldn't.
The Action People's Party has told the line of the Action Alliance, which withdrew its petition before the Presidential Election Court sitting here in Abuja. Now this changes the complexion of the case, as the numbers of petitioners have dropped from 5 to 3, leaving the PDP, the Labour Party, and the APM challenging the election of the President-elect, Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Arise correspondent Godfrey Eshemoge, who is at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal sitting, joins us now. Godfrey, thank you so much for joining us. Can you tell us what's going on where you are?
Yes, good afternoon, Hawa. Well, of course, the Presidential Election Petition Court has held today, that's day 3 of the proceedings held today with the Labour Party petition and those of the Action People's Party up on the cards for today's consideration. Basically, what happened today is that the Labour Party is the second party after the People's Democratic Party and its candidate, Atiku Abubakar, that has sought that the cameras be allowed into the courtroom to have live feeds sent to the homes of millions of Nigerians to follow proceedings at the Presidential Election Petition Court. Counsel to the Labour Party gave this indication today while speaking to newsmen after informing the court that he and other counsels of the other parties, that is counsel to Tinubu and Kashim Shettima and of course INEC, that they have agreed to adjourn hearing till next week Wednesday to afford that all pending processes to be filed so that they can be handled together. So they want these pending petitions, these pending processes that are yet to be filed all in bulk so that all the processes should be ripe for hearing, either resumed in a week's time. So they said to ensure that there shouldn't be any delays occasioned by the day-to-day hearing of the petitions by way of pre-hearing. So he and the counsel to INEC, APC and Tinubu have agreed in principle, that these these processes will be filed for hearing by Wednesday.
Guys, when I don't see the news, so at this stage, what they are now asking, that is Peter Obi team and Atiku team, that this case, I bet make will televise some live. That means when the judges, when they give their verdict, when the lawyers, when the barristers are talking, my objection, my lord, objection, my lord, with the sham koro like photo. Not be said they go tell us say now one judge is night on turn them, the other judge can't turn them. No, we want to be involved. We who are the public, yes, we who are Nigerians, we who are the obedience, we want to see it in real time. As Peter Obi stand up, the can go to dog, make it stand up there, make it they tell us why if he say Tinubu no win. Then when he tell us finish, then Tinubu go to dog there. Make it tell us how it win. We want to see this in Koro. We don't want to hear hearsay. Hearsay. We don't want hearsay. We want a real life. So Nai Atiku team, the talk say we want them. Make them they broadcast them live. Make camera go inside there. Not gonna do us secret judgment and secret court ruling. All the tribunal they do secret. We don't want them for this one. Now we the talk. Now Obi and Atiku team. Now that they beg court. Now it's waiting there now. Now court don't take the request already. They say instead of them to they come court every day, make them give them 1 week. Make them gather the thing, bobo together. You understand? So that when they start next week again, it becomes fire to fire. I don't know whether Tinubu see in Nigeria or they hear news say you don't run go France again. Make you go still touch that body. You know, say if you go France, come back, you go fresh. But why they fresh? You never tell us. They say they don't go, they won't go revitalize them again. Make sure that you go feel we stand this court case because if like say in the night, something they happen like that. Something will be film. So you need to go and revitalize this energy. You need to go and boost Nasara TV. I read that thing. Sahara. Sahara TV now I see him. So Tinubu don't go reinforce his body so that he go get that enablement, the agility, the capacity to withstand this court case when they come before on them very soon. So it's good though, no problem. Go France, go Jabba or something. Go and put something in your body so that because we want you, me personally, I want you to stand fit in the dock. Properly they answer the judges. How you take win. Everything is simple here. That is only, are we begging too much? I don't think so. Guys, that is the update when don't come. So for now, for those who never subscribe to Mampolo's Corner, subscribe. More they come. I say from next week Wednesday, I go to hit them bomber to bomber when we day live. That time when we day live. So if you never subscribe to Mampolo's Corner, go on. Subscribe, hit them, and turn on the notification bell. That one is very important because if I come live here, the televise is in live. For the televise live, that notification not be on. You know, go know say they live. The televise them. Turn them on. That one when say all at the top. That bell when they top. The one when they top, not the one when they middle, not the one when they down. The one when they top. Now it be all. Turn them. when the case come, now you go first. They see them now. If you never follow for Facebook, just click the follow. Then touch the share like button. Share. Like do all of them because we are ready. You see, as I summarize everything for they bring them in real time. Make I don't talk too much, guys. If you love what I do, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and on TikTok. All of my political live catch. Peace out.